Hi guys, welcome back to To Go Travel. The voice is not very good today. Let's do the quick unboxing of this Mavic Mini, the Fly More Combo version. White box. This is the first time I bought a drone. I didn't know how to fly it yet, and I think this is the protector. All the manuals. There's the charger. Batteries. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is the box. Start with this one. Roller. I'm very sorry if you cannot hear my voice because I have these few days I have sore throat, very bad one. Okay, this is made from plastic. So this is how it looks like. I believe this is the battery, charger. Go. So this is the extra propeller, and this is, the screwdriver. Of having this thing. And now the drone itself. This is it. It doesn't come with the battery, so actually you only have 3 batteries here. It's not like inside the drone itself they already put the battery. No, you only have 3 batteries here. Of the stickers. I'm not a pro guys, so bear with me. So what you're supposed to do is you do that 1, 2. Even the phone is a lot heavier. Now to remove the battery, you just have to put it like that. Just that. I will click and close. It's the protector, gimbal protector. This is how it looks like inside the case. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. If there's something useful you find this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel for To Go Travel. And that's it. I'm DJI signing out. Bye bye.